Hi guys! Today I have a really delicious snack recipe for you, or a party, movie night, kind of little appetizer recipe. I know you can also make this into a dish with serving something else on the side, so serving these and along with something else, but I think it's something small but still kind of filling that you can make for a party. You can make them for a movie night, you can make them for barbecues, I don't know, you can make them whenever you feel like it's fitting. And also I think it's a kind of a cool dinner recipe when you want to have something special. So let's get started with these delicious chicken tacos. We are starting with the chicken, so you want to do like a short marinade. So I have one big chicken breast that I've cubed into these small cubes. And first I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of dry garlic, then some freshly ground black pepper, and some salt to taste. And then you just want to mix it all in. So you have all the chicken pieces coated with the oil and the spices, and then you want to leave it aside for the time you prep the vegetables, and then we can get on to cooking the chicken. So allow it to marinate for the time that you prep the vegetables. I have all my vegetables here, and I have a big plate where I'm gonna have all the things that I've prepped. And the only thing you want to do with the vegetables is to slice them or dice them so that they are gonna fit the taco shells. So I have some chilies here, and I'm just gonna slice them. Then also 1 small or medium onion. You can also use red onion. I only had white ones, so I'm using white onions. And also just slicing it finely. And then some green salad. You can use any that you like. Also finely slicing it. Then some cucumber, and I'm gonna slice the cucumber so that I have thin stripes of cucumber. And then I'm also gonna grate 1 carrot. And then I am also gonna dice some avocado. What you could also do is just to make some guacamole or mashed avocado, and use it like that. I'm just gonna dice mine finely. And then some tomatoes that I'm just gonna cube. So the only thing you want to keep in mind when prepping the vegetables is that the pieces are gonna fit the shells, so the taco shells. Otherwise you can cube or slice or prep the vegetables how you like. Also gonna grate some cheddar cheese. So then I have all my vegetables and toppings ready, and now I'm gonna start with the chicken. Then once your pan is warm, depends on the pan that you're using. Because of the pan that I'm using, I will need a little bit more olive oil. Then I'm adding in my chicken. And then you just want to cook the chicken for a couple of minutes from each side so that it's cooked through, and you can test by just breaking one piece to see whether it has actually cooked through. And now once you have everything ready, so the chicken, the vegetables, then it's only about the assembly. And I would suggest to leave everything like this and let everyone assemble their own tacos, because then they can choose whatever they want to add to them. And don't forget some dips or sauces that you can add then on top. In this recipe, I'm also showing you how to prep the chicken breast, but what I wanted to tell you is if you have a favorite way to prep the chicken breast, then you can definitely just prep it the way you want to. I will also share here how I prep chicken breasts for my weekly meals, so you can do that and then use the chicken for the tacos. You can obviously prep it also how I showed in the recipe. Or if you have any leftover chicken, then it's also a great way to use that leftover chicken. So just make some delicious tacos. Also, the veggies that I use are the combination that I thought is delicious, the combination that I personally like, but there again you can also change it up a little and make it to your liking. So again, I had a quick and easy recipe for you, and as always I would like to hear your opinion on these, so I would know whether you like to see more of these. I really like this kind of taco dish. I don't know if it's a dish, but I really like this kind of way of serving things. The tacos I was using this time, I was using store-bought shells, but I would also probably like to make a recipe with homemade tacos, so that we actually make the taco itself from scratch and then give you different topping options. So let me know if that's something you would like to see. So I would probably make another meat option, then a vegetarian and a vegan option. So let me know if you'd be interested in that, and then in the comments. So let me know in the comments, and then I will be making another video with those included. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then it's time to subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell you won't miss any of the new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.